Hi, I'm Peter Gould. I'm the Crop Innovation Manager at Reaseheath, and I'm in charge of the glasshouses and the vertical farm here. So we've welcomed back Wrenbury Primary School for the Field to Fork mission, where we're looking at showing them how to grow particular plants, which they're then going to use in different cooking recipes. Wrenbury Primary School came back to cook a pasta dish over at the food centre. And they've then come over here to plant out particular seeds that they're going to use in a up-and-coming couple of menus that they're going to be cooking. So they've been planting out carrots, mange tout, chive and nasturtium, both in the greenhouse but also in the vertical farm. So we hope they've had good fun here and really enjoyed and seeing where the food comes from and how they can use these particular types of food as well in their cooking skills. And it's all about that sustainability and sort of looking at your carbon footprint and how food is made and where it comes from. So we hope that they've kind of got that and they've taken that away with them back to their primary school.